Hello guys, welcome to another video on my channel 100 Coiner, and this video is going to be a bit special because we are going to talk today about Kusama, right? Kusama, it's like if you know, Parachain auctions are going to come, right? So there is all this hype which is getting created in Kusama. If you don't know much about Kusama, let me give you a brief overview, right? Kusama is actually a sister chain for Polkadot, right? It can also be said a canary network for Polkadot. So Kusama is somewhere like before any project comes to Polkadot. Kusama is where all the testing happens, right? So the projects, they first need to launch in Kusama, and after they have launched in Kusama, then only some of them will be able to make to the Polkadot system, right? So Kusama is more of like a playground for all these projects where they can come and they can do their testing, right, before they actually go to launch on Polkadot. But it's not like all the projects will be there on Polkadot. A lot of them are going to remain in the Kusama ecosystem. So it's a blockchain of its own, right? And it has been performing really well. If you see, let's check the charts, right? Let's check the charts. If you see from the beginning of the year, like Jan 21, it was somewhere around $70, right? And then it started with this massive move, and I think it made a high of $540. Then there was some correction because this was a long run for Kusama. A bit of correction. This has gone for around a month, right? But now the Parachain auctions, they are going to launch. They can like launch anytime in the next week. The Parachains, they can be now seen on the Kusama system, right? So this is the reason for this huge pump. So today what we will see in this particular video is what are the possibilities for Kusama, what is the possible price prediction, and is Kusama good right now for placing some long orders, right? So first of all, like if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. It's a very new channel right now, right? So please subscribe to it, and if you like this video, hit the like button. Okay, so let's start first of all with BTC. Let's see how Bitcoin is doing. So in the past few days, right, since the Elon Musk tweet came, like we were doing very good. We were here at around 58,000, right? It was making a good move. Bitcoin was coming to the upside, but as soon as the Elon Musk tweet came, there was this huge dump from 58,000 to 46,000, right? And since then, like Bitcoin tried to come up to 50,000 levels, tried to break 51, but it failed, again came down. Let's see on the lower time frames. So this was the dump. It came somewhere around 45,900, and then it bounced back. It has been making a lot of sideways movement. But since the last high, that was 51,481, again it started making lower lows and it started falling, right? But here is something exciting which happened. Let me put this bar out here. Okay, let me go to even some more smaller time frames so we can see this, right? So it recently it came down and down and down, and it again came down till 46,000. But now we have started to break this move. We have started to break this trend, and we actually made a higher high. So there are possibilities that this might be a trend reversal, and again Bitcoin can start making some move to the upside. Now this particular moving average, this becomes very important right now. it is 50 hours moving average. And right now, if you can see, Bitcoin just tested it. Bitcoin price tested the 50-hour moving average, and I see that we got a small pullback. So if we go above it, it will be very, very positive for Bitcoin, right? Because if we move above it, then the next moving averages to see, they'll be on the 4-hour chart, right? We still are like far away from the 50-hour, 54-hour moving average, but there is a possibility that we cross the 24-hour moving average, right? So we are testing this level as well. So looks like that it is possible that Bitcoin might break this downtrend and it can start making a move to the upside, right? So this was about Bitcoin. Now let's come to the main topic for today, that is Kusama. So I have this Kusama USDT chart out here. Okay, and this is the latest move which Kusama made, and it made a high of 587. Then again breaking the high yesterday, it made a high of 617, right? And now it's again moving. It's moving between this channel. So Kusama is on a trend of making these new all-time highs, right? And there is this possibility with the whole excitement for the Parachain auctions that we can again go ahead and we can again make a new all-time high, because Kusama right now is looking really strong. Since this move, the whole uptrend is there. So to me, Kusama looks strong right now, and it's just a matter of time when the Parachain auction news gets officially announced, and then we'll see a huge candle. We can see a huge candle to the upside, and definitely Kusama will be making all-time highs. If we check the fundamentals of Kusama, now the fundamentals of Kusama, they're like very, very strong. Right now it has a market cap of almost like $5 billion. Right. So if you see the total supply of Kusama, that is just 9 million, and the circulating supply is already 8.4 million, right? So this supply and demand shock, which everyone is talking about, because there are the exact number of Kusama, they are just 9 million, right? And in fact, a lot of these tokens, right, a lot of these coins, they are going to actually get locked, because what happens in a Parachain auction, you need to stake your Kusama to actually participate in a crowd loan. Okay, so if you want to get tokens of any project, let's like Akala is launching on Kusama blockchain, right? So if you want to get Akala tokens, you'll need to stake your Kusama, and then you can participate in the crowd loans, right? So this way, there is going to be a supply shock, and I believe that Kusama can easily do a 3x from here, right? As the Parachain auction news coming, like there will be these auctions every 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks, more and more Kusama, they are going to get staked. We already have a small supply. We already have a small supply of just 8.5 million circulating tokens. So this upside can be expected in Kusama price. And we will need support from Bitcoin as well, right? So Bitcoin needs to make this move to the upside. So we continue on the bull run, and we also get the push of the Parachain auction, and then we can definitely make some good profits with Kusama. So out here I'm seeing this as an opportunity for placing a long order, right? Because the reason is, the first reason is that Bitcoin actually showed a move that it might be breaking this downtrend. So if the Bitcoin starts going up, right, it is going to be positive for Kusama as well, right? And that will make sure that there are not going to be very big dumps. Okay, so you need to watch Bitcoin price very closely, right? And you can place a long on Kusama, right? And as we break this channel, like we are moving in this upward channel right now, so we can see a huge candle coming to the upside, right? You see, this can also be seen as a kind of a bull flag if you see on the daily candle. So this can be seen as a bull flag as well, right? Not exactly a bull flag, but it's more of a channel, right? Because of all these movements which are going in the market. So that is why there are so many why there is so much difference in these candles, like from the upside to the downside. But yes, an upside can be expected, and very carefully a long order can be placed on Kusama. So guys, this is from my side from Kusama today, right? If you guys need my analysis on any other coin or the opportunities which are going on in the market, right, do let me know in the comment section. And once again, if you guys are new to the channel, please support the channel and hit that subscribe button, push that bell notification, right, and you'll be getting all the latest updates directly on your YouTube wall, right? You'll get all the notifications. So this will be from my side for today. Peace out, guys.